Hey there sellers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something every seller needs to keep an eye on: ads billing. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, look at the main menu for the payment section. Next, click on Reports repository under the Payment section. This is where Amazon stores all your billing reports. In the Reports repository, look for the section labeled Advertising, Invoice History, and click on it. This will redirect you to the Billing section of the Amazon Advertising panel. Here you'll see all your billing invoices. Need invoices for a specific time period? Amazon makes it easy. In the Paid Invoices section, you can apply a timeline filter to narrow down invoices by date range. By clicking on Download, you can save the invoice as a PDF file. Click on the invoice number to view more details about the charges. Here, you can view the specific ad associated with the invoice. Simply click on the campaign link, and it will take you directly to the campaign details. Now, let's navigate back to the Ads Billing section. Here you can view your invoices. By clicking on the Unpaid tab, you can see a list of charges that are still pending clearance. For now, there is no pending invoice. And there you have it, an easy and detailed guide to checking your ads billing in Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more Amazon tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below